In the early 18th century, Britain faced a simple problem: flooded coal mines. The solution would change the world. In 1712, Thomas Newcomen developed the first practical steam engine to pump water from deep underground. Decades later, in 1769, James Watt improved the design with a separate condenser, making it far more efficient and powerful. Watt's engine no longer depended on rivers or wind. It could drive machinery in textile mills, power ironworks, and eventually move locomotives. Factories rose, cities expanded, and production increased on a scale never seen before. What began as a machine to drain mines became the force that transformed industry, transportation, and daily life. The improved steam engine did not just solve an engineering challenge, it ignited the Industrial Revolution and reshaped the modern world.